Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to keep sync on when you quit or restart Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by opening Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Look for the More button at the top right corner of the browser window and click on it. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, navigate to Privacy and Security and click on it. Then, click on Site Settings, followed by Additional Content Settings. Finally, select On-Device Site Data. Step 5. Make sure to turn on the toggle switch that says Allow sites to save data on your device. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that sync remains enabled even when you quit or restart Chrome on your PC. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a great day.